Our target sound is ah. Apple. He laughed at the apple. This is our key sentence. He laughed at the apple. Do you see that there's 2 ways to spell ah? They're bolded. One is a 2-letter spelling in laughed. The other's a 1-letter spelling in apple. Ah, laughed. Ah, apple. These are the 2 most common ways to spell ah. Ah, ah, ask. 98% of the time, this is how we will spell ah. It's the most common spelling. Ah, laugh. Now I'm going to read some words that contain the ah sound. Listen for the ah and look how it's spelled and where it is in the word. Animals, backpack, bag, tic-tac-toe, bananas, jam, laughing, bat, lamp, camel. Now let's break down a few words just to really see that ah spelling. Crab, k, ah, b, crab. Camel, k, ah, camel. Panda, p, ah, d,